Hello, Musfira. How are you? Musfira, are you there?
Yes.
Are you there? Wow. Nice to hear your voice. Today, the maths class got extended, Musfira. You all didn't get good break.
No, because ma'am took a 5 minutes more class. That's why.
Yes. Okay, fine. I will leave you all early before. Okay. We'll just do the revision and then I will leave you all. So you all get good 15 minutes break in between. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But where are my other students? They'll be joining, right? Okay, Amara has joined. Hello, Amara. How are you?
Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Oh my God. Good morning.
Do you put a background?
Yes, I did not put it, but I'll change it. Okay. Do you like this background?
Yes.
Ah, really?
Do you like my
Ah, oh
background?
my God. Yes, I liked it. I loved it actually. You're looking like a Santa Claus.
Yes.
Amara, are you ready for all your exams, Amara?
Today I will learn science
Amara,
about rocks
what do you like?
and stones.
You want to
Today
show me
I
something,
will learn
Amara?
science.
Ah, today you
I'm
want
learning
to
about
learn science.
science.
Wow,
Yes,
that's nice.
about rocks I'm learning now. Today.
Wow, that's really nice. Okay, today I will take a revision and check how much you all know. Okay, okay, fine. And this time, yes, wow. Let Khatija also join. Khatija and Musfira Rizwani. Then we'll start the class. Okay, we'll wait for some more minutes. If you have any queries, Amara, you can ask me. Do you have any doubts in
Girlfriend.
science?
I'm wearing a
It's
spec.
easy, no? Wow, I can also wear a specs. Hmm, I, I can also wear a specs, just like Amara.
Yay. We got same spec.
Yes, same spec. I can. What else we can do, Amara?
I'll put this. This is
Which one?
ice.
Show me. Oh
Fairy
my
light.
God. Fairy light. Oh my God, this is fairy light. Do I have fairy light? Let me check. Oh, this light. Okay, okay. Let me see. Okay, I don't have fairy light, fairy light, fairy light. But I have fairy light. Ah, I have
You don't.
something like this. Okay.
Yay.
Oh
It's
my
become a
God, it's
big
looking
fairy light.
as if,
I put it.
yes, yes. As if we have decorated our house, yes? Okay. Musfira Sayed,
Yes.
Zainab, Khatija, turn on your screen quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Khatija. Good morning, Zainab.
I turned
Okay.
on my screen. Morning, ma'am.
What did you do? Good morning. Okay, now I have a riddle for you all. Okay, till the time Musfira, Rizwani, and Ali is joining, I'll ask you a riddle. Okay, are you all ready for my riddle?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tell me. Are you all ready? Zaina, please turn on your screen. Musfira, turn on your screen.
What we want to do?
Rizwani. I am asking you a riddle. Okay, I will ask you a riddle.
Okay.
Okay, so listen everyone. Okay, listen carefully. There is an airplane. Okay, there is an airplane, and in that airplane there are 50 bricks. Okay, there is one airplane, and in that airplane there are 50 bricks. One brick falls down. There is an airplane, okay, Musfira, and in that airplane there are 50 bricks. One brick fall down. How many left?
49. 49.
49. Okay, Zainab said 49. Absolutely right. Okay, good going. Now my second riddle. Okay, my second riddle is, if you want to put a zebra inside the fridge, how are you going to put the zebra inside the fridge in 3 steps?
I cannot hear you properly. Ma'am, your voice
You can't hear me properly.
Ma'am, we can kill the zebra. We can kill the zebra and put it inside the bridge. Ma'am,
Okay, wait. I will repeat. Wait. Let me repeat the question again. Okay. If I have to put a zebra inside the fridge, how I'm going to put zebra inside the fridge in 3 steps? Tell me. Not Zainab. Okay, Musfira Sayyed. Musfira Sayyed, tell me.
Ma'am, we can kill the zebra and put it in.
You don't have to. No. You don't have to kill the zebra. It should be alive. Okay, it should be alive. Okay, let me mute everyone. Then you can raise your hand and answer me. Okay.
We can.
Okay. Okay, Ali, tell me. Ali, tell me, so that you'll be able to hear me properly. Okay, Ali, tell me. Ali, you are muted. Unmute yourself, Ali.
The big fridge for a zebra. Yeah, I will take all light and do small to zebra. Big fridge.
What you said, Ali?
I said
Fridge. No. You have a big fridge. You have a big fridge and you have to just keep zebra inside. How will you put zebra inside? Inside the fridge in 3 steps. Yes, Musfira Rizwan. Tell me.
First we jump with a zebra, and then how we can put in the fridge? Because zebra is so big. It is animal.
But
we
we have
cannot
a
put
big.
it in.
Just imagine that you have to put a zebra inside the fridge. Okay, Zainab is requesting. I'll give the chance to Zainab. Okay. Yes, Zainab. Unmute yourself and speak.
We need to open the fridge and then put the zebra inside and then close the fridge.
Wow, that's very nice. We will open the fridge. We'll keep the zebra inside and then close the fridge. 3 steps. Good,
But there is
Zainab. After
broccoli
this,
in
you're not going to answer. Zainab, after this,
When we close the fridge, our zebra cannot come out.
Yes, and ma'am, there is broccoli in the fridge.
yes, we need broccoli in the fridge so that zebra can eat. Okay, good, Dawood sir. Okay, my third question. Okay, now listen carefully. Dawood, you should not help Zainab, okay? This is not fair. It's not fair. Now, Zainab, you have to mute yourself. Okay, my third question. Okay, my third question, okay? My third question is, Amara, you have to answer, okay, Amara? Amara, you're just playing with your filters, right? My third question is, if I have to take this, if I have to keep a giraffe inside the fridge, how I'm going to put giraffe in the fridge, and you have to explain me in 4 steps.
We need the tallest fridge.
You have a tallest fridge, okay? You have the biggest fridge with you. Just you have to keep the giraffe inside the fridge for some time. How will you keep it?
We will open the fridge, then we will put it inside, and then we'll close the fridge. Done.
But this is three steps. 3 steps. I want 4 steps. In 4 steps, you have to explain. Yes, Khatija, tell me.
I have an answer to put the giraffe in the fridge. So to put the giraffe in the fridge, too big, right? So you can shrink it with a shrinking machine and then put it in the fridge.
What you will do with the giraffe? No, you don't have to cut the giraffe, okay? No. See, you have big enough fridge. You have big enough fridge. You don't have to shrink the giraffe.
Then we open the fridge. We put inside the food. And
It has to have 4 steps.
And then leave the fridge. And then what you want to do?
No, 4 steps. It has to have 4 steps. Ali, answer it. Answer the riddle.
Yes.
You have to put the giraffe inside the fridge in 4 steps.
First step is first we will open the door, and second step is we will put the giraffe. And third step is we will take food. Then fourth step is we will close the door.
No, Ali. Okay, Musfira Sayyed, tell me.
First step, we already have a big. So the first, we have first step. In fridge there are 2 sections. Now one small section and big section. So from the path it is over there. The tray which is there to hold the first part and the second part, we remove that one tray and keep it aside. Second step, we open it, we open it, step 3, then we put up, step 4, then we close the door.
No, Musfira Sayyed. Okay, Zainab, you tell me. You give me the answer. Zainab, you give me the answer.
No,
How will you put giraffe inside the fridge?
I forgot the answer.
Okay, I will give you the answer. Okay, I will give you the answer.
The third step will be we have to check the length of the fridge so that we can understand if it can fit or not. See, sir.
No, Musfira Sayyed, you have big enough fridge, okay? It can also fit elephant inside the fridge. Okay, I will tell you. First, what you have to do is open the door, okay? Remove the zebra from the fridge. That is the second step, okay? The third step is you are going to keep the giraffe inside. And the fourth step is you are going to close the fridge, okay? You didn't remove the zebra from inside the fridge.
So it was related to the other riddle.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is cheating. This is cheating.
No, there is no cheating inside. There is no cheating in this. Okay, my fourth riddle. Fourth is very nice. Okay, who is the king of the jungle?
Lion.
Who is the king of the jungle?
Lion.
Lion. Yes, lion. Okay. So one day, lion called a meeting, and he invited everyone, all the animals. Okay. And when the king of the jungle invites everyone, everyone has to be present. One animal was not there. Who was that animal?
Gadha.
Gadha. No. Tell me, which animal was not there? Tiger. No.
Zebra. Donkey.
Zebra, donkey. Okay, Ali said giraffe. Why giraffe? Ali, why giraffe?
Because zebra. Because giraffe is closed in fridge.
Yes,
Because
Mira
it's
is
closed in
right. Yes, because giraffe is in the fridge. Yay! So that is why he could not attend the meeting. Okay, then why you did not answer Musfira Sayyed? Okay. Yes. Let me ask the question. My next question is, okay, let me ask the next riddle, okay? My next riddle is, Musfira Rizwani, your voice is breaking. Okay, my next riddle is, there is an old woman, okay? There's an old woman, she wants to cross a river. But in that river, there are lots and lots of crocodiles. How is she going to cross the river? But yes, but she crossed the river safely, okay? How she did it? She wants to cross the river and she did it, and there are a lot of crocodiles in it, okay? And she crossed the river. How she did it? Okay, Amara, tell me. Amara, tell me.
Ma'am, what you tell?
Bridge.
With the help of a bridge. There was no bridge, Amara. There
Ma'am,
was no bridge.
what do you tell?
An old woman wanted to cross a river, and in that river there are lots and lots of crocodiles, but still she could cross the river and she reached safely. How she did it? No, Ali. They eat everyone. Yes, Khatija, tell me. Wait, Zaina. Khatija, tell me.
The old woman called a helicopter, and then the helicopter
There was no helicopter. She walked in the river and she reached safely. Yes. Yes, Mushira.
In her jib already an axe. She took it up, cut a tree, and then as a bridge she walked on it and crossed it.
There was no axe, Musfira Sayyed. There was no axe. Yes, Zainab, tell me the answer. Because she knows all that.
I know. All the crocodiles went to the alliance party, so she went easily. He put the crocodile.
Yes, lion has called a meeting. Yes or no? So all the crocodiles went to meet lion. Okay. So there was no crocodile in the river.
So here a swim and then you.
Okay, my last and final question to everyone. Okay. The moment that old lady crossed the river, she died immediately. How and why? The moment the old lady crossed the river. Yes, tell me, Musfira. Yes, tell me. Musfira Sayyed.
But the crocodiles came and eat her.
Because the crocodile cannot eat her. No, but she died. She died.
No,
Immediately she crossed the river
I'm not
safely.
telling that. Ma'am, I'm telling that when the meeting was over, they came back and they saw the eat her.
And no, the crocodile is still in the meeting. The crocodiles are still with lion. Okay, they are still attending the meeting. Who can tell me the answer? Yes, Ammara. Yes, Ammara, tell me. Yes, Ammara, tell me.
The only man. That is the old lady. He can directly. I know.
Okay, Khatija, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Zainab, you will get in end.
Okay.
Yes.
The old woman, it is old, right? So whoever gets die. Tell that only.
No. Because she was old, she died. No. Yes.
She was a young lady.
Yes. No. She was an old lady, but she didn't die of heart attack or she didn't die of her illness. She died. Why? There's a reason.
Crocodiles eat her. He has virus.
Oh, she got virus. No.
He got a virus, coronavirus, because he don't
Okay, Zainab, now your chance. Give me the answer.
Fell on the old lady and she died.
Huh? What happened?
Fell on the old lady and she died.
Yes, the brick fell on the old lady. The first question which I asked you all, one brick fall, how many bricks will be left on the airplane? So that one brick which fell down, that hit on the old lady's head and she died. Yes, I asked you the question, the first question. That brick fell down. How many bricks are there? Okay. Okay. Now it's a science session now. Okay. I will stop the riddle over here. We'll do some revision.
Only one more.
Musfira Sayyed, it's already 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay, in the end, if I will get chance, we will do it. Okay? I'm sorry. Musfira Rizwani, we will do it if I'm in the end, okay? We will just do the revision.
No.
Yes, do revision.
Yes, we'll do the science.
No. I not want to do the
It'll be fun. It will be fun.
Yes, it will be fun. There are only 6 questions which we are going to revise today, okay? And it would be easier for you if you will do this revision, okay? How are, one by one, you have to answer me. How are metamorphic rocks formed? Okay, how are metamorphic rocks formed? Okay, but you have to tell me who knows. Raise your hand. You have to tell me what is the process of making metamorphic rock, but not by speaking. You have to draw and tell me, okay? You have to draw and tell me. How are metamorphic rocks formed? I'm sharing my white screen over here. Now, who wants to do it? You have to tell me, explain me how are metamorphic. Who's that? Me. Okay, Khatija. I will give the chance to Khatija because metamorphic rock, this rock is Khatija's favorite rock. Okay, Khatija, go ahead. How will you explain that? How are metamorphic rocks formed? With the help of drawing. How will you explain? What happens? How are metamorphic rocks formed? Khatija, first tell me how are metamorphic rocks formed? Khatija?
Metamorphic. I actually don't know how they formed with drawing. I thought you said you had to draw the metamorphic.
No. But tell me the process. What is applied so that it turns into a metamorphic rock?
It is a.
Okay, Musfira Sayyed, give me the answer. You are raising your hand.
1 minute. My bad. Charging is a little over. So I'm putting the charger and coming in 2 minutes.
Oh my God. Okay, who can tell me how are metamorphic rock formed?
What to?
Yes, Ali.
Me.
Yes, Ali. Yes, Ali. Tell me. Ali, you are muted. Ali, you are muted. Ali, you are muted.
When any rock, this is water.
Okay, Ali, go ahead. Ali, go ahead.
Gets up water, heat and pressure, then he be the metamorphic rock. I have drawn also.
Good. So how are you going to show it in the drawing? Ali, I'll just show you, okay? You are very good at it. So this is my sedimentary rock, okay? This is my sedimentary rock or igneous rock. I would say this is my sedimentary rock, okay? I will show that this is my sedimentary rock. Okay. When I will apply what? Heat and pressure. Where is the heat going to come from? Heat is going to come from here, okay? So I will show it with the arrow that there is heat and there is pressure, okay? So this would be heat, okay? Heat is coming, heat is applied and
Everybody stop annotating.
Okay, and pressure. And I will apply what? Pressure. Yes.
Annotating, I can't see your drawing.
Please do not annotate. Please do not annotate. Everybody will get a chance. So I will say pressure, okay, over here. And what will I get? Please do not annotate, Amara. So you have to draw and say that this sedimentary rock, when it is applied heat and pressure, what do you get? Metamorphic rock. So I will draw one more stone and I will say I will get what? Metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock. Okay. The entire spelling I'm going to write. So you will get all the spelling on the word bank. You have to just copy the spelling and you have to explain the drawing. Yes, Musfira Rizwani.
Ma'am, only we get the photos on.
You will not get the photo, you have to draw. Yes. Okay. You want to explain the igneous rock. So everybody understood this is my sedimentary or igneous rock. When heat and pressure is applied, I get what? Metamorphic rock. So this is how you have to explain. You have to label as well. Huh? You have to write pressure, heat, sedimentary rock, and then what I get? Metamorphic rock. Okay. My next question. How are igneous rock formed? That Musfira Rizwani is going to explain.
Ma'am, I want to.
Okay, Khatija, now I have to give chance to Musfira Rizwani. Okay, Musfira Rizwani said. Okay, Musfira Rizwani, you explain me how are igneous rocks formed.
When lava come out, then when lava comes out and it explodes and then it makes igneous rock.
Musfira Rizwani, can you repeat again? I could not hear. Your voice was not clear at all. Tell me once more.
Then it when lava explode and come out everywhere, and then igneous rock made.
Okay, good, Musfira Rizwani. When there is a volcano, okay, who's drawing again? The then I have a sedimentary rock. Okay, you can try with the sediment. This is a volcano, so you have to show that this is my volcano. Okay, you have to label it as well. This is my volcano. Okay, I will say this is my volcano.
We didn't have a chance to draw.
No, you have to draw it in your worksheet. Okay, I will ask what is metamorphic rock. Explain me in drawing. So you have to draw on your worksheet and you have to explain me. Okay. I'm so sorry. So now what you have to draw is you have to draw a volcano. You have to label it that this is my volcano, and then what the molten material is heating. So whatever molten material which is inside is called as magma. So you have to write this is magma. Okay. Then maybe you can draw one more volcano, and whatever comes out, whatever molten materials comes out, that is lava. Okay, though this is lava. Okay. Okay, this is lava, and then what do you get? You get igneous rocks, and then you can show the rock, and you would say that this is my igneous rock. This is my igneous rock. Yes, you have to draw and show it to me. Yes.
Colors, color pencil.
You can use anything. If you want, you can use pencil. If you want, you can use colors. Okay, whatever. So keep your crayons ready while writing your science paper. Yes, Musfira Rizwani. Yes, Musfira. Silver. Silver something. So lot of things come out on the from the volcano.
It is a homework.
No, it's not a homework, Ali. It is actually I'm explaining you like how you have to do it in your
Can you tell me
science paper. I will ask you.
We want to write
Ma'am, can you tell me the spelling of volcano?
Yes, I'm writing it. Zainab, just see it on the screen. Okay, this is the spelling of volcano. So this is how you have to explain it.
It will be coming.
Yes, this will come in exams. Yes, Ali. So you should know the process, how the process is done, and you have to explain me through the drawing. Okay, Ali. So you have to draw and explain me how. Yes, in the exam. Yes, in the exam. Okay, so we are just practicing today. Now tell me how are sedimentary rocks formed? Who can explain and who can draw? Okay, Musfira Sayyed. Okay, Musfira Sayyed, you can explain us how are sedimentary rocks formed.
Okay. Yeah. Wait. Let's take the annotation option. Ma'am, yes. First, there are mountains, big. Can you tell me the spelling of in 3 weatherings there?
Yes, Zainab.
Rain falling now. So because of that now comes because the water is filled up over here. So because of that now the rock falls inside the sea. And then it catches the sand from it. The rock catches the sand, and all of the rocks are jointed to that rock which has fallen in the water. And that makes it a igneous rock. This is the mountain.
Not igneous rock.
Sedimentary.
Okay. So now Musfira Sayyed had explained very well that there is a pre-existing rock. Okay. So there is a pre-existing rock, big rock. Okay. It's a big rock. Okay. And the big rocks are fallen down. The crack appears. The crack appears because of the weathering. Okay. The crack appears. And they are broken into small pieces. Okay. They are broken into small pieces. These small pebbles and stones are carried with the help of water and, so this is water. Okay. Water and air. Air, you can show it as a cloud. Okay.
It becomes water.
And then all the pebbles are
Becomes
collected.
water.
This is cloud. Okay. This is cloud.
1 minute.
Okay. This is air. So all the pebbles and stones are carried with the help of water and air.
Ma'am, that is not
Ma'am, can you tell
Yes, I
magma
know, Khatija.
magma spelling?
Magma. Magma. Okay. So
That's
now
the
the
cloud.
stones and
Ma'am.
pebbles. I'm sorry, I can't draw so well. So the stones and pebbles are carried with the help of water and air. Okay. And then they are collected beneath the water. Magma. They are collected inside the water. Okay. And they piled up and piled up and piled up. And then what happens? A sedimentary rocks are formed. Okay. And sedimentary rocks have what? Horizontal lines. Okay. Horizontal lines. And you have to,
Another like that, and they are made
and
with
this is,
sedimentary rock.
yes, and these are called as sedimentary
And
rocks.
with the
Okay.
sand layers, because of the sand layers, it causes something like
Yes.
a magnetic or something. Then the rocks are jointed together.
Listen, you don't have to worry about the spellings. Spellings, I will write it in the word bank. You have to just take the spellings from the word bank and you have to label the drawing. You have to draw and you have to label as well. Okay.
And should we
Now,
draw
my
right
second,
now?
no, don't do it right now. Don't do it right now. You just need to know the process of how sedimentary rocks are formed, how metamorphic rocks are formed, and how igneous rocks are formed. If you know the process, you can draw it, right? Okay, don't write anything. I will send you all the questions in the Google Classroom. Don't worry.
Igneous
Yes.
rock is formed because of lava. When lava comes out of the
Ma'am, can
volcano,
you tell a volcano spelling?
Okay.
down,
Yes,
and
I will.
when the lava cools down, it turns into igneous rock.
Very nice, Khatija. Very well explained. See, I will send you the entire thing in your Google Classroom. So you don't have to write anything. Just concentrate. Okay. Now my next question, the fourth question is, what are the properties of rocks? Okay. This will also come in your exam.
What does properties mean? And I can't understand the question. Like,
Ma'am, tell the volcano spelling.
See, it's written, I will share volcano spelling. Okay. The volcano spelling is VOLCANOE. Okay. Now listen.
VOL then?
CANOE. See, now listen. NE. NOE. NOE. Okay, now everybody mute yourself. Where is Ali? Where is Ali?
Ma'am,
Yes, Khatija.
ma'am,
Yes, Khatija, tell me.
ma'am, what does properties mean?
Yes,
What
that's
does
what I want
properties
to.
mean?
That's what I want to explain. So I may ask you. Everybody mute yourself, okay? So that you can listen carefully. I may ask you, like, if you found a stone, okay? If you found a stone, what type of question you will ask to recognize whether it is an igneous rock or a metamorphic rock or a sedimentary rock? Okay, what type of question you are going to ask yourself? Okay, Zainab, tell me. Then I will give chance to Khatija. Okay.
Which rock is this? It is sedimentary or metamorphic or igneous rock.
Yes. So
Is
what
it-
type? Tell me, Zainab. Tell me, Zainab.
touch it and feel it. Is it a sandy, so it can be a metamorphic rock? Is it or sometimes it wet? So is it wet? So it can be a igneous rock, means sedimentary rock. And
No. Wait, Zainab.
if it's joined, it's
Okay.
joined.
Wait.
Stone.
What will you
joined
see in
stone.
the rock? Wait. Let me explain. What will you see in the rock? First, you will see the shape of the rock. Okay. So I will say, what is the shape of the rock? Then what I would do is, how is the color of the rock? Yes. And how is the texture of the rock? Like how is it hard? Is it soft? Then I will come to know what is the pattern on the rock. Like if it is a curvy pattern, so it is a metamorphic rock. If it is a straight line on the rock, then it would be a sedimentary rock. Yes or no? These type of question I will ask myself to recognize which type of rock is that.
If
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if the rock is very sandy, and it could be a sedimentary rock because inside the sea that the edge of it is very sandy, so it could be also sandy or
Yes.
wet, so it could be sedimentary rock.
Good. So did you understand? So did you understand what type of question you are going to ask? So just quickly write down this. What are the properties of rock? So what are the properties of rock? I will tell you. I'll share my screen so that you will be able to write. Okay, just this answer. Then we'll take one more answer and then we will end the class. Okay.
Mama, look.
Yes. What is this? This is a rubber band. Is this a rubber
Yes,
band,
but one
Khatija?
is floating. One is floating.
One is floating. Oh my God. Is it floating?
Yeah.
Okay. Please write down this, the properties of rocks. Okay. These are the properties of rocks. So you will ask what is the color of the rock? What is the shape of the rock? How is the texture? Is it soft, hard? Is it rough? And what is the pattern? Okay. What is the pattern of the rock? And luster is how shiny it is. So just write this. These are the properties of rock. You can write any three. And this is how you can recognize what type of rock is this. So these are the questions you are going to ask. What is the color of the rock? Is it like what is the shape of the rock? How is the texture and how is the pattern? Or is it lustrous? Yes. Please write it down. These are the properties of rock. Amara, today you are just busy with the filters. Amara, please write it down. Yes.
What just happened?
I'm sorry. I just changed my slide by mistake.
Ma'am, what we have to draw?
You don't have to draw anything in this. You have to just write what are the properties. So if I can ask you, how can you recognize that this is a igneous rock or a sedimentary rock? So you would write this properties that I will ask what is the color of the rock, how is the shape of the rock, how is the texture, and how is the pattern of the rock. Okay. Luster is how shiny it is. Is it shiny or is it dull? Musfira Sayyed, are you writing?
We have to write this. Right, ma'am.
You have to write. You have to write. This question is on page number 62 as well on your textbook. And you have to write this. What are the properties of rock? So you have to write this. Write it in your notebook right now, page 62. Just write page
Ma'am,
62
I'm
and these are the properties.
Okay. Notebook,
Khatija is done. Good.
Then we have to.
Yes, Musfira Sayyed.
Ma'am, we have to write it in
Yes, you have to.
Chinese.
Yes, you write it in your notebook, or if you like textbook, you can write it in your textbook.
Shape, texture, and pattern.
And pattern.
Ma'am,
Good,
glitter
Khatija, well
spelling.
done.
Glitter.
Glitter. Why do you want glitter spelling? It's not glitter, it's luster. Luster.
And it's also. I need my rock shiny. What is shiny? Spelling.
Shiny. Shiny. Amara, you have to just copy this. Amara, you have to just copy this. Color, luster, shape, texture, and pattern. Yes.
Do me something. I can't hear her, but I just hear she told something. What did you told?
What you can't hear? Musfira, have you written this? Have you written all the five properties of law?
Ma'am, wait. I'm telling that something.
Musfira Rizwani, your voice is breaking a lot. Musfira Rizwani, I can't hear you better properly. Can you change your earphone?
Remove your earphone. It could be like that.
Yes.
She's
Musfira Rizwani, I can't hear you better. Just remove your headphone.
she told. Ma'am, I think she told that. Can you hear me now, ma'am?
No, I can't hear Musfira.
Ma'am,
Ali, are you writing, Ali?
move your.
Ali, are you writing? Oh my God.
Ma'am,
Musfira
see
Rizwani, I can't
magic.
hear you.
Ma'am, Ma'am, she was telling to me to mute myself. I can hear her a little.
Okay. Okay, Musfira Sayyed, please write it down. Nobody will talk. Nobody will talk. Please write it down. Yes, I can see magic, Khatija. Ali, are you writing it? Ali? Yes. Good, Amara. Good. Pattern shape. Okay,
Yes.
good. Texture. One more word. Texture. Amara, you missed texture. Texture is how hard and soft. Is it rough?
I want
Is
it soft. Soft and smooth.
Okay, you can write that. Yes, Amara, right. Is it soft or smooth?
and smooth spelling.
Oh, S-O-F-T. S-O-F-T. O-F-T.
Ma'am, can you type it in the screen? Type it. Ma'am, can you type?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I'm writing lecture, shape, texture.
Is everyone done?
Ma'am, I'm just writing down.
T-E-X-T-U-R-E. Okay.
I'm writing
Did you
now.
finish
Yes,
it off?
Ma'am,
Finish it off. Okay, good, good. Well done. Just last question and I will leave you all, okay?
Ma'am, see, I can make a bracelet as if these two rubber bands. Ma'am,
Wow, we have two rubber bands.
Sasha, ma'am,
Yes, Muhammad Ali.
why every time the QD sessions happen and very
What happened?
why QD session and late every
Muhammad Ali, because their maths session now got extended too long. So, and I have to do the revision with them, right, Muhammad Ali?
and we didn't even get it, so we had to get 5 minutes break,
And
15 minutes break, so
I was
that's
having
why
fun with them,
when
Muhammad
we got-
Ali. Yes, I was having fun with them, asking them riddles.
Ma'am, wait, I'm not finished.
Oh, I'm so
I'm
sorry.
not finished.
Tell you something.
Yes, Amara, tell me. Yes, Amara, tell me.
Telling you, I need my dog soft because I don't want anybody to get hurt. It should be soft.
Your rock should be soft. Okay. Okay. Just like you, right? Okay. Khatija, this last question is for you, okay? The last question is for you. Khatija is going to answer me. Yes, Musfira Rizwan. Musfira Rizwani, I can't even hear you and I can't hear anything. Okay, Musfira Rizwani, after the class, please call me.
So
Okay, please call me
Swati,
after the
just
class.
tell something one more time.
Musfira Sayyed, I have to change the slide, okay? Okay, just the last question. What material will you use to make a roof? Musfira Sayyed, I will post this in the Google Classroom. Don't worry,
Ma'am?
I will post.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, now I can hear you clearly. Okay, just the last question. Let me end the meeting.
One
Yes.
more left, only one.
Okay,
Mama,
okay, I will share.
Please, can I?
Okay, Musfira Sayyed, I will share it with you. Just last question. What material will you use to make roof, door, window, and step of the house? So what you have to do is you have to just refer for the roof. Come on quickly. For the roof, what are you going to use? Rocks or other material?
Rocks.
For the roof, you're going to use rocks. Very nice, Musfira Rizwan. For the door, what material you are going to use? Rocks or other material? For the door.
Other material.
Yes, other material
material.
because the door is made up of wood.
I do not make with the rocks.
Yes, good, Musfira Rizwani. Next, walls. Walls. What material you are going to use? Rocks or other material? Quickly tell me. Rocks. Okay, good. Good. The steps of the house. What are you going to use? Step of the house. Rocks. Okay. Ali, you will answer me. Window. What material you are going to use for windows?
Other material.
Yes. Other material because window is made up of glass. Okay, not rock.
Because
But
door-
everyone.
They cannot make with the rock because it has a glass. It has a glass.
Other material.
Good. Well done. Okay, let me just end my class. Musfira Sayyed, quickly write down the last question and bye-bye everyone and join the second session. Quickly. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, then I wrote the last question.
Everybody leave the class.
Ma'am, it is yours.
Yes, I know. But I want you all to get a break.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.